Okay, let's say you have a reference image like this and you want to have a specific length. Here on Wikipedia, I looked it up, 32.74 meters. Create a line, G, X, and as soon as you start dragging, don't do nothing else but pressing tab until you reach the value on the bottom left, and there you can type in minus 32.74 and I divide it by 2. And press OK. Mirror it to the other side. Alt X, mirror along the x-axis. OK. And if we measure it with the measuring tool, we have this correct value. Now let's take this plane, position the cursor with G and V. I take just the tip of this antenna, drag it while pressing Ctrl to snap it to the endpoint of this curve. Press OK. While this drawing is selected, I press S and F for freestyle, so I can place the cursor again to the endpoint of this curve. Drag a line to the other end of the drawing. And the only thing I need to do is just bring the cursor to the endpoint of the other line. But as you see, it stretches. Just check uniform. Boom. There you have the reference image with the correct measurements.